The Powilling 40-volt battery LBX2040 is a high-capacity lithium-ion battery boasting a real capacity of 3,500 mAh, which ensures extended usage time for your tools. This replacement battery is versatile, as it is compatible with a wide range of Black & Decker 40-volt and 36-volt max cordless power tools, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. It works seamlessly with all Black & Decker 36-volt or 40-volt max lithium battery chargers, ensuring that you will not have to worry about compatibility issues. The integrated LED charge level indicator is a convenient feature, allowing users to easily monitor the battery's power status at a glance. With a worry-free warranty that includes 45 days money-back and a 12-month warranty, this battery offers peace of mind for any buyer. Powilling's customer service is highly responsive, providing 24/7 support for any inquiries or issues, ensuring customer satisfaction.